Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see the nomenclature of some other compounds and we are going to start with the alcohol. Then what are the alcohols? We say that those are the organic compound which contains hydroxyl group on the saturated carbon, that is called the alcohol. So we are going to name the alcohols. What will be the name of the alcohols? The alcohols are named as alkane plus position plus ol. That is the alkane nol. If we are taking any specific compound like this one, CH3, CH2, OH. So what is the number of carbon? There are two carbons. That is the ethane and ol. हमने यहाँ पे नंबर नहीं दिया है क्योंकि दो कार्बन के सिस्टम में चाहे आप यहाँ से नंबर करें या यहाँ से नंबर करें, हर एक केस में वो पोजीशन नंबर 1 पे ही रह जाएगा, इस वजह से हमने कोई उसे नंबर नहीं दिया है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एथेनॉल. इफ दिस इज द कंपाउंड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 कार्बन सिस्टम एंड हियर इज ए हाइड्रोक्सिल. सो फ्रॉम विच ऑफ द डायरेक्शन you will count? According to least count rule, we will count from the direction from where we are getting the group earlier. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and from this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will count from this one side. How many carbons are there? 8 carbons. So it is octane. And on position number 4, there is ol. So octane 4 ol. If it is something like this one, then what will be the name? Then first one, the shape of the system, this one is cyclic system. So cycle, how many carbons are here? Total 6 carbon. So hexane ol. We have already discussed कि किसी भी रिंग सिस्टम पे सिर्फ एक ही अटैचमेंट, एक ही ग्रुप लगा हो तो उसकी प्रायोरिटी, उसकी पोजिशनिंग नहीं की जाती, क्योंकि वो अकेले ही है तो वहीं से तो नंबरिंग स्टार्ट होगी. सो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू नंबर द हाइड्रोक्सिल इन दिस कंपाउंड. सो द नेम ऑफ द कंपाउंड इज द साइक्लोहेक्सेनॉल. इफ दिस इज द कंपाउंड OH and again OH, then this group is cyclohexane. Position number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on position number 1 and 4 there are two hydroxyl groups. So this one is cyclo because it is cyclic. Total number of carbon 6. Hexane, and on position number 1 and 4 there are two ol. So diol. Then cyclohexane 1 4 diol. If this is the compound 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, here is a double bond and here is a hydroxyl. Then from which of the side you will number the compound? Surely we will number from this side because the priority of hydroxyl group is greater than the priority of the double bond. So what will be the name? It is a 6 carbon system, so it is hex. On position number 5 there is ene and 1 ol. Then hex 5 ene 1 ol. This is the name of the compound. Now we are going to see aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketones are also known as carbonyl system. Then first, what is the difference between aldehyde and ketone? When the carbonyl carbon C double bond O is primary system, that means जिस कार्बन पे लगा हुआ है उसके साथ सिर्फ एक कार्बन डायरेक्टली अटैच हो, यानी कि नंबर ऑफ बीटा कार्बन एक हो, then that is called the aldehyde. In the case of the methanol, the system is not even primary system क्योंकि उसके साथ तो दोनों हाइड्रोजन ही लगे रहते हैं. And in the case of ketone, all the ketones are secondary by the nature because at least two carbons are attached with the carbonyl system. Then how will you name? We are starting with the aldehyde and the name of the aldehyde is alkane plus ol. You can also write the number, but generally in the case of aldehyde, always the CHO group is on the position number 1, that is the terminating carbon. So there's no need of the numbering these of this species under general circumstance. तो generally हम इसके लिए numbering नहीं करते क्योंकि हमेशा तो ये position number 1 पे ही आता है. So what will be the name of the system? This is the compound CH3 CH2 CHO. How many carbons are here? 1 2 3. So it is propane plus अल्फ, that is the propanol. अगर ये कंपाउंड कुछ ऐसा हो HCH और सिंगल कार्बन सिस्टम, so it will be methane blood. लेकिन अगर इसके साथ हम एक और फंक्शन ग्रुप लगा दें, that is the CH3 CH OH CH2 and CH, surely the numbering will start from this direction. And on position number 3 there is a hydroxyl group. All. अब यहाँ पे ये भी सफिक्स ये भी सफिक्स, अगर ऐसी कंडीशंस आ जाती हैं, दो सफिक्स एक साथ आ जाते हैं, तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि लेस प्रायर सफिक्स को प्रीफिक्स में हम लिख पाए तो लिख देते हैं. सो यू कैन राइट इट इन द प्रीफिक्स. सो इट इज ऑन द पोजीशन नंबर 3. सो इट इज 3 हाइड्रोक्सी. आई थिंक इट्स नॉट विजिबल इन द कैमरा. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर इट इज 3 हाइड्रोक्सी. टोटल नंबर आपका 4. So butanol. So 3-hydroxy butanol. So in the case when there are two function group which are suffix, so we try to make one of them as a prefix. और prefix में वही आता है जिसकी priority कम होती है. So these are the name of the compounds. We are seeing these type of compounds. See, a unique condition is appearing here in this case. What is the uniqueness? First of all, we will try to find out which one is the main chain. Whether this cyclic system, CHO or CHO. Surely CHO has the greater priority because this one is containing the functional group. The cyclic system is not containing the functional group. So this may be the functional group main chain. लेकिन अगर ये है तो ये क्यों नहीं? अब ऐसी कंडीशन में हम पूरे CHO ग्रुप को ही एक नाम दे देते हैं, और वो नाम क्या होता है? द नाम इज कार्बोल्डिहाइड. सो इन दीज ऑफ द केसेस वी नेम द कंपाउंड एज अ मेन चेन विल बी दिस वन. सो इट इज साइक्लिक सिस्टम cyclohexane on position number 1 and 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So on position number 1 and 2 there are two carbaldehydes. So it is cyclohexane 1,2 dicarbaldehyde. Then this will be the name of this compound. I think it's clear to all of you. Now we are seeing the ketone. This is the ketone RCOR. Both the alkyl group may be identical, may be different. So what will be the name? Alkane plus position plus whatever the position of the ketonic group is there. So this is the compound CH3CO CH3. So what will be the name? There are 3 carbon, so it is propane plus propane. आप ऐसा सोच सकते हैं कि मैंने नंबर क्यों नहीं लिखा, नंबर लिखना चाहिए था. एक्चुअली 3 कार्बन के सिस्टम में ये दो पोजीशन तो कीटोन हो नहीं सकते, because that is the primary position, and the primary position systems are the aldehyde. So it is not an aldehyde, it is a ketone. So there is only one position and is possible. So ऐसा कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि हम यहाँ पे लिखें. If this will be the compound and here is the double bond. Now you will have to number from which of the direction you will start the numbering. 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 3 4. So from both the direction the numbers are identical. So it is the numbering. Now the main chain. How many carbons are here? Total 7 carbons. So it is heptane. जब ऐसा कोई फंक्शन को बाद में लगता है तो एल्केन की स्पेलिंग ALKAN हो जाता है, लास्ट वाला E हटा दिया जाता है. So it is heptane. On position number 4 there is a one. So heptane 4 one. Now we are taking a cyclic system. This is the cyclic system. What will be the the name? Surely it is a cyclic system, so the prefix will be the cyclo. cyclo से हम नाम शुरू करेंगे. टोटल कार्बन 6, so हेक्सेन प्लस ओन. साइक्लिक ग्रुप पे एक ही फंक्शन ग्रुप लगाए तो उसके लिए हमें ज्यादा कुछ नंबर वगैरह करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Now, if this is the compound benzene ring with CH2 CO CH3. Now, sometimes we say that this is the 6 carbon system, so this will be the main chain. This one is also containing 3 double bonds. Actually, the benzene's double bond is not ready to participate in any chemical reaction. And this is the functional group, this is the ketonic group which is more prior. So surely this is the main chain. Now from which of the direction you will number? 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Surely the attachment is here and ketonic group on the identical same position. So you can say the numbering will be from this side. So first one we will write the name of this attachment. बेंजीन रिंग को जब हम ब्रांच में लिखते हैं तो इसे फेनाइल लिखा जाता है. तो यहाँ पे ये 1 पोजीशन पे फेनाइल है, ये आपका 1 फेनाइल प्रोपेन 2 ओन. So this is the naming for the ketone. I think it's clear to all of you. In the next video we will discuss the nomenclature for the carboxylic acid, amine and amide, and then we will see the electron movements, which is a very important topic in your syllabus. Thank you and have a nice day.